Hi guys! Welcome to the channel from my new room. Welcome to the channel once again from my new room. Welcome to the channel for the 5th time from my new place. So, my god. I'll do a room tour in the video later or maybe in the next video. I don't know. Let's see कहिलेसम्म मैले room decorate गरिसक्छु. Decorate as in अब furniture ल्याउनु पर्ने छ. I just got a bed and a सानो wardrobe and I ordered a त्यो के भन्छ drawer type thing. Before we start the video, I want to put my videos that I filmed when I went to Folkestone. अलिकति छ त्यही म बनाएर फर्स्टमा त्यो प्ले गर्छु cuz I don't know what to do with those videos and I just want to show you that I had fun and I tried pho. How do you pronounce that? Pho. Play that video first and then we'll watch the. Let me show you. This is my favorite snack. Dried mango. साह्रो गरम हो. Oh my god. हामी खानु जाने. के खाने रे? गरममा थुक्पा खाने रे. म खाने रे. ए तर फो त चिसो पो हुन्छ त हैन? कोल्ड हैन? I've never had pho before. Vietnamese हैन कि Filipino. It's a Vietnamese dish that I've never tried and I wanted to. त्यही खाने गरम छ तर हामीलाई मतलब छैन. तपाईलाई आज कस्तो राम्रो भएको छ. स्विच गर्नुपर्छ
So what that one? Just all on, yeah. त्यसो एक्टिभ हुनुपर्छ क्या.
It's a bit more convenient, isn't it? Because like you can go in and out.
अन्डा जस्तो हुँदो रहेछ नि भन्ला सबै दिदिएछ
someone's birthday drink. I've just woken up and cried. Oh, it was deserved, but
giving us a thing. Are you serious? Just go and look for Betty on your own. Damn it. I'll get to the bottom of it. Are they jammed or what? I'm not complaining though. Take down an emperor. Magic chiffon from this rat. Sanchez forced this. Hey! Where are we? My name's Boulay. Here. I'm telling you, he's not.
to deliver a painful, lingering death to you.
I hate to run, but I can't fight you guys right now.
Ta-da! There's 3 storage. Oh, I made this whole thing by myself. I'm proud of myself, although it's not such a big thing. I never thought this would be the toughest part, like to screw this. Look at that pretty thing. Oh, it's a mirror, dirty clothes. That's one part. Done. I'm watching anime. I'm gonna edit now, so